So Lars, you're heading up the innovation investment area for TeliaSonera. Tell us a little bit about the organization, when it was launched, and some of the objectives you're looking to achieve.
Yes. So it was launched with our new operating model, 1st of April this year. And the objective is really to capture all the innovation power we know is outside the company, to make sure that we know what's going on, meeting all the startups, and trying to find the innovation power of this scene and bring it into TeliaSonera through smart partnerships, and also sometimes equity investments and warrants and tools like that.
You talked about there's really 3 different business models. You've got premium services, you got advertising. Can you talk about each of those 3 and where your company is fitting into that format?
Yeah. So it's actually 3. So it's hardware sales as well.
Yeah.
And I think it's really 3 competing models in the world. You see maybe Apple leading the hardware sales part and doing really good premium hardware and selling that. Operator community and a lot of digital services are selling premium services to subscribers. That is what we are really good at. And then Google is driving the advertising business on the side. And you could really see the advertising and the premium business models starting to be merged with freemium models from the internet companies, but also you see Google going into fiber, offering fiber to homes in the US. And I think the interesting asset in between that is the data in both businesses as well. And also the hardware business is of course an interesting distribution mechanism for the services.
Yeah. You've had success with Spotify, HBO, and some other premium offerings. Can you talk about why your unique approach has resulted in those kinds of successes in sound industries, perhaps is another one?
Yeah. So as I said, we are really good in distributing services to our customers, and we try to focus on the customer experience. And I think the customer experience is really a combination of things needed. If you take the music use case as such, in order to really enjoy music on your smartphone, you need good connectivity, you need a good phone, possibly need good headphones as well, and a really great service. So from that perspective, we've been using our partner Spotify to bundle in a music service to our subscribers, and our partner Sound Industries with a really nice headphones to that. And all of that together creates a much better customer experience for our customers, and then it produces value for all the parties in the setup. And looking at Spotify specifically, we have something different to talk about, and also a reason to discuss data with our customers. Once when we launched it, smartphones were quite new, so we wanted them to have a data connection, of course, in the smartphone, and we could instead give them a music experience and bundle in the data. And I think that together it created a much better customer experience, and today we're actually big in distributing music services, especially in the Nordic and Baltics.
And what do you see? You've done HBO and you've got an audiobook type premium service. What can you tell us about those offerings?
It's more or less the same, but a little bit different. I think the wider it is, if it's music, it can fit in our above-the-line advertising and be bundled in. But really, we can resell any service because we're really good in charging for services and giving a good overview on the bill for customers. And people like to pay their phone bill, as they typically do. Mm-hmm. So we're a very good partner for these companies, and for customers, it's actually a good place to have a good overview of the value-added services they bought. So it could be like with the audiobook service, where we actually market it via our email or customer care. If we have a customer on the phone or talking to them via an email, we could suggest that others have tried out this service and seem to like it. We think you could try it and see if you like it, you pay for it. If you don't like it, just cancel it. Mm-hmm. So that creates a really good distribution for that kind of services. And we're also now taking that to the B2B side, the cloud marketplace, where we could offer everything more or less that is digital for a company that anyway has a relationship to us with the phone bill.
Okay. And on a go-forward basis, what can we expect to see from a scouting and exploration standpoint?
Well, we try to scout quite broadly. So of course, in the digital space, we are looking into some opportunities that we publicly stated on our Capital Day. So it's in machine to machine, we're very active, for example. Financial services, we have a TV business that we're quite successful on, and that we also are looking into add different partnerships and other things too.
Great. Lars, thanks for your time.
Thank you.